guys, it's your girl Tash. To all my subscribers, pick up on yourself. You don't know, up. So guys, I just wanted to show you how my student did in his first 40 minutes with me. So this is his first time, guys, and we've just been practicing for 40 minutes and he's doing really well. So work on the finger position, his hand position. You have to always remember to let go, yes. Yes, you feel the difference when you let go, right? So it feels more comfortable. Okay, so you got stuck there, okay? Yeah, let go of that middle piece and start again. Yep, that's perfect. Now it's time to change your hand position. So you ended up getting to the end without changing your hand position. So it's quite loose, very, very loose. But it's still not bad for his first 40 minutes. Not bad at all.
It's like your finger can slide through a bit more.
Okay.
To get a bit neater.
Yeah, but that's not bad.
Yeah, it's really good. So guys,
We're doing the introverted one.
Yeah.
So guys, she did really, really well. Come put your fingers there so they can see this different person. So this student did really, really well in the first 30 minutes. This is what she achieved in the first 30 minutes. So now we're gonna see how she does with the straight hair, because she did really, really well with this afro texture kind of hair. This is great. Wow, wow, amazing. It looks better than mine.
It make me nervous with the camera now. Oh no, I'm going back to the old way. Hold on.
It's all about remembering.
Yeah.
Okay, so no under. So instead of going over, we're going under with the index finger. Yes. Oh wow, see, slipping there. Yeah, so start again. Yeah, so just let go and position your hand again. You can see where that piece of hair that shouldn't be there. This should be inside of this here. Yeah, so positioning here and start again. That's it. Yeah. So you can see where the hair twisted there where you made a mistake.
Yeah.
Yeah, but other than that, you understand the concept and the hand positions. So that's the main thing. And
That's good as that one.
And you're getting it really tight as well, which is really good.
Right, and that's where he's getting the shin splint because.
Okay, so you made a mistake there.
Too thin
And
there.
he's chin. So yeah, you're right. He's beautiful. But he's telling me that he's up.
Yeah, so what you do now,
He stretches out over.
I can see where this is twisted there. So you go back up to here. So this is the point now where you need to be at. Yeah, I don't know if it probably went wrong when you tried to add this in. Yeah, so start again with adding this into that one, and start again from up there. Yeah, but as you go down, yeah, you need to pick up more from the middle. Yeah, so you see underneath here, yeah, you need to balance that out, kind of slipping away.
Okay.
So underneath here, you just need to pick up. So once you go, so once you go in the middle here, try and pick up what's in the middle here and continue. Or better off to start again. Okay.
And spring 150 meters.
Yeah, so start again and try to pick up all the hair from this side, from both sides.
Okay.
No, each. This is total for the week.
If you're leaving the hair all
So I'm getting ready.
Yeah. And then I spring 100 meters again. And then I used to train with some younger
Doing the
guys.
same thing again, you know.
And the youngest
I think that's gonna happen for a while because you're so used to braiding the other way.
Yeah.
we used to do like a little army assault course. So we'd run half a mile into the park, do the army assault course, and then run the 3 miles back to the gym in the circuit. And he could never beat me. And he said to me one day, he saw me,
Yes, that's it.
how come I can't beat you? I said, because my pride won't allow it to happen. It's as simple as that. No little
That's it. Yeah, sometimes you can do that as well. You're doing great. You can use your fingers to pull it in.
His eyes up and he's like, that's it. I said, well, no little snotty nose runt gonna beat me. You're crazy. I used to do it at school. But then I did a lot more reading to it to understand there's a lot more technique to running.
It's looking really good. And neat.
One of the things, the biggest mistakes people make is they don't drop their hips. So they carry this tension through and end up with lower back pain.
So the more here now you have to work with, the harder it gets. So you have to kind of like pull your grip a bit tighter.
Yeah.
So if you isolate your body as parts,
Like you say, both of them. He's run straight.
Yeah, so now it's getting thicker. You need to make sure you pay attention to the density or it's going to start twisting again.
Okay.
really is your quads. So your calves don't come into it because you're not.
Yeah, come look. she did really good. Wow, I'm amazed. I'm
I
amazed.
need that one. That one's really neat.
Yes, I'm amazed.
This here, you get more neat.
This is, I find it hard though.
Yeah, it's harder, I think.
Yeah, I do feel like it's
more slippery.
slipping out of my hand, yeah.
All the energy's coming from.
I always find this type of hair, even in hairdressing, I find it more difficult. So if it was human hair, I probably have to use probably damp with some water, some edge control, just to bring the hair in.
The use of hands, that only really comes in with sprinting. So you're literally like you're grabbing the air in front of you to give you that momentum. If you're jogging or running normally without a sprint, your hands can stay in one position. You don't need to. You keep your hand up, put it down, keep your hand up. Because normally I might have a little water bottle, which I never used to get through.
Okay, and now it's
For
time
that,
to
for that
reposition.
5.2 miles, I never get through the water.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because I'm right.
This part is very essential, like you need to make sure it's tight once you get done. Once you reposition.
You don't feel normal if you don't run.
I'm very proud of that.
Oh, I'm amazed.
Really good.
Yeah, she did really, really good.
Yeah, sharp.
If you didn't do it,
Yeah, very, very nice. It's perfect.
Wednesday, Friday.
And that's how the braid should look tight
Yeah.
from the beginning, which is going to be on the hairline.
That is
Yes,
better.
and then as it gets thicker,
Yeah.
that's exactly how it should look.
There you go.
Yeah.
Yay! This is really nice. It's very, very neat. I'm proud of that.
You
Yeah, but I think she had an advantage because she already knew how to
The
braid.
concept in it was
Yes.
just getting them
Yeah, just
changing.
And all she had to do is
Direction,
just change the direction of the braid. So she did really